Kalmaegi is now a low-end tropical storm with a winds at 65 km/h and a pressure of 1,000 millibars as I estimate. However, Jtwc and Hko don't give it a tropical storm status. It is located at 70 from 1 north, 125.6 east now. The wind field is small because it is weak and will be larger when it intensifies. The storm is veering closer to Luzon, where 280 kilometers to Palanan, 295 kilometers to Dinapigue, 300 kilometers to Dilasag, 310 kilometers to Divilacan, and 320 kilometers to Maconacon. Sea surface temperature is favorable until landfall for Kalmaegi, which is now 29 degrees Celsius. Wind shear is still good for that, as I think 10 to 15 knots, but it will increase quickly when it enters South China Sea. Kalmaegi, which is an island, has 95% to experience tropical storm winds, where Palanan has 93%, which is pretty high for that. There are 80% for Palanan, 65% for Dilasag, and 60% for Kalmaegi. Lots of models agree for spring them when CTCX, where CTCX and GFS support category 1 or even higher. Wind shear and sea surface temperature is dropping, but winds good. Humidity is gradually dropping when it's now 60%. So this is how the storm has been looking in the satellite. A big flare of convection is blowing up near the center, and I think it will intensify until the landfall of Luzon. As it enters South China Sea weekend, environment will turn poor due to the wind shear, sea surface temperature, and humidity. Finally, thanks for watching this video.